Well, hello YouTube. My name is Ghifar Zulfajri. My NPM number is 1921222082. This is the first video that I made about automotive. On this video, I will explain the part that I must restore to original and report the progress of restoration my motorcycle. Before I start to the main content, there are several things that I want to share to all of you. That is, first, history, evolutions of the motorcycle that have 3 generations. The second is the mini review of my motorcycle. Third is the main of content. Okay, let's see. The first generation of F1ZR is Yamaha Force One, which is built in 1992 until 1994. This motorcycle adopts stroke engine 110cc, who have adopted YPCS, that is Yamaha Performance Cooling System. With this system, it can cool the engine optimally. Force One have 2 variant color, that is black and combination red. Next to the F1Z or Force One Z, this is the second generation of Force One that have big differences. That is, Force One still use a drum brake system. Beside that, F1Z was adopt a new technology that is a front disc brake system. It makes the braking system more stable than the Force One. F1Z have 3 variant color, which is special edition, that is white, purple, and black combination with chrome. And finally, in 1997, Yamaha Motor Manufacturing released the final generation of F1 series, that is F1ZR, who have so many differences. F1ZR between Force One or F1Z, that is, the first F1ZR have a manual clutch. Second is the front caliper have 2 pistons, almost 95% to cover big difference. Then the difference of final gear, different gearbox and transmission, and then the headlamp and the stop lamp. Hello! Now I'm in the garage. Let's review my motorcycle. Okay, this is my motorcycle. This is Yamaha F1ZR, who produced in 2004. I did a few modifications. That is, for the throttle, I use a quick throttle from Daytona, include with the hand grip or the hand fat. I don't know if this an original product made by Daytona or this is a imitation product. Then move to the braking system. Begin with this. I use the original brake master, but for the brake handle, this is brake handle, I use aftermarket or non-original product. Next, I use aftermarket brake hose from TDR Racing in order to maximize the flow of oil from master to the caliber. For braking caliber, I still really original product because it is still capable for braking. For maximize braking system, I also replace a brake disc with a larger diameter. I use this brake which have 300 mm. Then next to the suspension. For the front suspension or fork, still using original Yamaha, but on the rear suspension, I use an aftermarket product from KYB with a length of 280 mm. Then I repainted rims with a gold color, which makes the motorcycle look quite elegant. Move to the tire. For rear tire, I use Corsa R99, and for the front tire, I use Corsa R26. Oh yeah, for the gear set, I use Triple S racing product, and for the exhaust system, I use aftermarket product from Fellow Racing Muffler. With 3v3 models, this exhaust quite powerful for acceleration. And the last modification on my motorcycle is the carburetor. For the carburetor, I still use an original VM26, but I enlarged the venturi from 20 mm to 22.5 mm. Let's turn it on and hear the sounds. This is the part that I need to restore. This, 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 and the hugger. My PCS cover need to repaint. A few things that I need to repaint, and of course the frame need to repaint because there are several parts that rusted, such as like this, 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 and this. The wire need to replace with original product.
I think it's enough for this video. I will continue to the next progress.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you later.